Hey everybody, Norm from Tested here, and for today's show and tell, I got a quick little fun project. Earlier this year, I put together this beautiful Pip-Boy kit. It comes from the fine folks at the Wand Company, and one of my favorite parts about this is that it was, well, a kit, something that you could assemble, even though they do sell a pre-assembled one. I had a lot of fun putting this together. Our friends in the prop community also made one. Bill Duran made one and weathered his up. And while the Wand Company has now also started putting out some accessories still in universe for the Pip-Boy. And the first one that's out is, well, it makes a lot of sense, a display stand. It is manufactured by Robco for Vault-Tec. And one of the things I love about what the Wand Company does is they build everything kind of in universe. So this is the kind of display stand replica that you would find in a vault. And not only does it work as a stand for the Pip-Boy, but also is a Bluetooth speaker and also has a microphone, so you can make phone calls on it. Let's open this up and take a look at what it looks like inside. And oh yes, already you got some cool world building. I love just the way they're packaging things like the manual for buildings. Beautiful, beautiful design manual. Like one of their co-founders is a designer by trade and loves putting together all these wonderful graphics. It comes in a couple boxes. These are all numbered. So for example, box 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as I believe all the tools come with the kit. And so this is, USB-C. So it's powered over a USB-C cable. I do have some extra tools just in case I want to use my own, but let's break open these boxes, null everything out, and get to assembling and take a look at how it looks and sounds. Well, there you have it. A super simple build. Took about 35 minutes or so to put it all together. Really helps to null all the parts out, especially all the hardware. And it is a perfect little display for the Pip-Boy replica kit as well. Didn't even need to use my tools here. The tiny screwdriver that comes with it, as well as that Allen wrench, worked perfectly. Let's make sure I tighten everything. The manual was super clear. Again, I love the design of all this stuff. I did think that they could have done a slightly better job with the component guides. The screws didn't always perfectly match up. So again, really helpful if you null out all the pieces so you know exactly which screws go where. Read through all the instructions first before start assembling. And it has very nice Bluetooth functionality, very easy to pair with your phone or any other device. It also has a microphone, so it works as a speakerphone. Speaker isn't very loud, but one of the nice features that even if you're not using it to play music, you could also use the jog dial in the back to
This is the Overseer.
Tap into some pre-programmed sound bites from the wasteland.
You have been tasked with nothing less than the rebuilding of America.
Yeah, really fun, satisfying kit. I think they're selling it for $80. Available now at the Bethesda store, and I think it'll also be on the GameStop website as well. If you have the Pip-Boy replica already, I think this one is a no-brainer. And of course, there'll be some other upgrades as well to add an FM radio, as well as a flickering light behind the display here. But that's a quick show and tell. I really enjoyed putting this together. Hope you enjoyed it as well, and we'll see you next time.
Just know that Vault-Tec is proud of you. I am proud of you.
See ya.